Hi guys, if you know anything from the Squarespace review, less probably that Squarespace is crowned as the most stylish builder. And you have what I totally agree. Most of the 100 plus template offered are modern, colorful, and well optimized. You do not um, need to take my word for it. Squarespace website design or template constantly win web award. The list of winning design is quite impressive. So if you are all about style, use my discount deal below or the QR code on the screen to get the best deal. Of course, you cannot call yourself the best website builder these days without AI implementation, and I am going to be frank with you. Squarespace AI is very it is sort of non-exempt in the designing part. Like, sure, I can add certain section to a website and choose from a few options, but this is very limited and not really creating anything new there. And AI written that can full your site with relative text, and that it for AI. Yeah, no more tools or implementation. It is kind of disappointing when smaller provider like Hostinger have full on AI template generated as well as free AI tool. Editing Squarespace design. Doing a Squarespace review in 2024, it's important to note that we covered its last big update called refresh, and there seemed to be improvement from last time, especially in the wall platform speed. Editing something cloud could have felt slow, but now it's way better. I just love the Squarespace editor. It's no minimalistic that I can something even forget that I am editing a website compared to it something like Wix, which just throw everything at you. Feel overwhelming pricing. This with smooth drag and drop control and nice selection of different element, I can confidently recommend it. Squarespace for beginner uh, to help you out. Squarespace has grid that can help you design, and it show you exactly when the element you are dragging is in the middle of just page. I also like the Squarespace including more unique element than just text or image. You get SoundCloud player donation and even Amazon integration. Squarespace pricing and e-commerce. So how much will this cost you? Squarespace is a premier builder. With the 14-day trial, you can create as many test sites as you need, but cannot public them. Overall, the pricing is okay, slightly compared if you are not looking to run business website, but each plan comes with the free domain name for a year and allow you to sell services. If you want to sell physical product, go for businesses plan. However, I really like that Squarespace does not tax you, so which much for monthly subscription. So it's a valuable option if you do not like preparing for things. But no matter what, do forget to use discount. You can find the newest one in the description. Another aspect of the Squarespace website builder that I like is the simplicity of the managing and marketing tools. Is Squarespace good for e-commerce? Yeah, maybe not for complex or large store, but you can easily create email campaign, manage inventory, or creating promotional material. But do note that most useful e-commerce feature will be locked under the highest tier plan. How fast are Squarespace website? Last but not least, we should cover performance. Google, the almighty monopoly on search engine, recommended loading with the 2.5 second for the best search for a result optimization or SEO for short. If your website load time slower, Google can just push it down in search result. Running a newly built website through speed page speed inside a free tool from Google. Squarespace managed to be just on that 2.5-second line. I also wanted to test a few websites that Squarespace itself advertise, and the result, they are very simple, hovering around the 2.4 to 2.8 second mark. In this a bad performance? Not really, but it could be better, as provider like Hostinger website builder can load a website in around 1 second. So figure across that Squarespace will invest in some newer tech in the near future.